Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Well, this morning we have breakfast. Jamaican dumpling and tin mackerel. Chunky jack, Grace chunky jack mackerel. So, I don't know what you call it. In a year, neck of the woods, if you want to call it dirty girl, whatever you want to call it, slappy, shake out. Yes. So today my special guest is no other than Simone. Okay? And close associate, friend, family, everything. So today now, we'll make she try it and give me her feedback. It's her very first time trying dumpling and mackerel, Jamaican style. So dig in, Simone, and tell me what it feel like and what it tastes like.
Sure will.
Guys, I really love Simone because guess what? Simone afraid to try nothing. She's a very open-minded lady. She's not afraid to try nothing at all. You know what I mean? So when everybody says, no, I'm not eat that, Simone said, I tried. I tried, don't know what I want more.
But I thought it was green.
Ain't no grits. No more. That's not how you do it, man.
What am I gonna do it?
Hold on. She here trying to, I don't know what she's trying to do with the dumpling, but hold on, guys. Let me cut it for her.
But this is my first time, remember?
Yeah, it's our first time, so I gotta cut it for her because he ain't cut, so I gotta cut it for her. And not because you're on camera. If it ain't taste good, Marjorie, I don't think I like this.
You know what?
Just don't cut no corner. There you go.
All right, y'all, so let's dive in it. That no good. You must have seasoned that.
You good? All right. All right.
Yeah.
I get the thumbs up so far.
With the dumplings, it's very good.
Yes, so as I said before, viewers and subscribers, this is our first time
It's good.
trying dumpling and mackerel.
Wonder why, as y'all can see, this is not my type of breakfast. American breakfast for me. No dumpling. No. So Simone, how's it really?
It's good, I swear. It's good.
And
Yes, so
It's real seasoned.
I'm actually try.
You never tasted it?
I'm actually try festival
No, so
before.
you
I don't like that. I don't like
She
stuff.
tried rice and peas before. She tried oxtail before, but I said it's her first time trying dumpling, boiled dumpling to be
It's
exact.
good.
Well, guys, so you see what the breakfast is this morning. They're having a Jamaican breakfast, where I had an American breakfast.
And she also have a channel too. You know what I mean? Tell the fans what the channel name on.
I'm gonna finish my dumplings first.
Y'all, she can't finish. So I think it's called, is it Roman with the Braxtons? No?
Jigging.
Oh, Jigging with the Braxtons. Alright. So y'all look out for say it,
Jigging with the
Jigging with the Braxtons, yes.
Very unique name.
But them Braxtons, those are some jiggers.
Yes.
But good morning, everyone.
Yes, guys, I gotta take a sip of the Hennessy. Yeah, Hennessy and dumpling.
Come on, there's fish in that pond. What you talking? I didn't say that.
Them stuff turtles.
That's not no turtle. I know
Turtle in
turtle
the
with
pond.
fish.
So I see turtles.
Something wrong with the camera.
No, that's not the turtle. That's not no turtle.
There's no turtles.
Back
Turtle.
here, Simone.
You got this for your
Watch, watch when you see it back.
So guys, comment in the comment section if you allow some
Yeah, that's the turtle right there.
dumpling and mackerel.
But I'm talking about back here. That was not no turtle.
Dumpling and mackerel
I see
good.
another turtle back here. I see a big one right there.
Mm-hmm.
See the thing right there, the turtle. You see one right there? See right there?
That dang turtle fast right here.
Yeah, it's a turtle.
They paid me some American breakfast this morning. I should have told them to keep it.
Mm-hmm. Some
Now they
pancakes and some
they-
bake, some shit to kill you.
Y'all. Now they talking reckless. Ain't
I like
nothing
the
better than the
Jamaican
American
style.
breakfast. Leave that
This
Jamaican over there.
is
on the
real
rock.
food.
No.
American is the way to go. Leave that Jamaican over there on the rock.
Guys, this is real food.
we'll let y'all leave in the comments which one is the best. Which one y'all like the best? Jamaican, American. Jamaican, American, which one? For me, American. For you, for you,
But guys,
Simone?
I'm going to tell you from now.
I think after today.
She said she don't like
Oh, so you're a
pear.
traitor.
I tell her that we don't say avocado. We
My
say
sister
pear.
was
She said she
saying,
don't like
she
pear.
said she's a Jamaican after
After
today,
today, I'm a
so
Jamaican.
she don't put me down.
And guys, after this vlog, look out for the next vlog. Okay? The one that at the Jamaican party, the camouflage edition. Okay? My brother Choba, pick up yourself.
Trooper, we'll see you tonight at the camouflage party. It's going down right here.
The whole of us just militant from the party.
So if y'all in the neighborhood, you want to step out, get a Trooper party here in Orlando.
Guys, nothing to say. The dumpling and mackerel, Lord.
And
But-
you think I'm already eating, so you know I got to no more picking.
This is what I enjoy doing. I mean, cooking and make people experiencing my culture.
So, you know, most of the time, a lot of American food I'm not gonna eat.
Yeah, that's when you're real picky.
I tell Moon they must have been traffic her here when she was small because she loved Jamaican culture.
Yeah.
She drive like a Jamaican. But does it drive crazy on face?
Sorry.
But she can drive though.
NASCAR
She'll
driver.
get you where you got to go in no time.
She drive like a dude. Just really good, guys.
And you know,
She almost finished. You see? It's not a challenge, but she leading me.
now y'all, this was awesome. This was awesome, man. That's good.
Yeah, man. Tell them, man. This very economical, you know what I mean? Because a pound of flour can make you like 7 dumpling. Regular size. I mean a little baby something. Regular size dumpling, pound of flour. And I mean, a can of mackerel, well, I buy it at Publix, so I know Publix high, so I pay like $3.40, $3.49 for the can of mackerel. But if I did like so Walmart, we get it, I pay maybe like about $2 something for it or so. So,
It was great though.
very economical breakfast. Good eating.
I think I like the dumplings better than the micro.
Yeah.
And this is my first time trying both. Did you season the dumplings too, mother?
No, just start. Just start the water there and flour. We let it cornmeal.
Now, I wouldn't advise everybody to try it at home if you're not like Mr. Martin. He's a cook. So,
Yeah, man. Look, I just said, guys, it's not none hard. It's easy work. Easy work. I have a dumpling video out there, dumpling and red out there. I'm going to put the link in the description box. So you all can follow that easy tutorial and get your dumpling going. It's not hard.
no, you know mother. Mother just like my family, right? So, I ain't gonna have to too much cooking. I can do it up to margin.
Yeah. And as I said before, I enjoy cooking and people eat.
And I'm gonna eat. You got your mustache from my mother.
You know, we're putting this,
Yes, you.
yeah. Let me try it.
I should try anything too. Well, y'all got ate it all, but one little piece. I'm already full because they gave me an American breakfast this morning. Not the more.
We ain't trying to beat or knock the Americans, but guess what? The Jamaican breakfast is where it's at.
It's good.
Where it's at. Them pancakes and them other rest of stuff, trash.
So
When you eat this keep you all day. It stay in your body all day. All you need to take it to the rest of the day is just water. Them pancakes and trash. Innocent time now.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash mine down with some water.
Oh God, boy. I tell you. It's good, guys. You know what I mean? Just
All day long.
able to sit down, you know what I mean, and eat a meal, cook and make people eat and enjoy themselves. It's just wonderful.
What you are eating?
And if you hear me tell her, say, if it ain't good, don't scare to say it ain't good. I let you try avocado this morning, aka pear. She said she don't like it. That's fine.
Big bird thing, whatever it is. Look at that. Smell that food.
But
Look at it.
guys, thank you for watching the vlog. And stay tuned for next video or the next episode. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Anything you want to say, something?
No, not really. Just hello everyone. Just have a blessed Saturday. Look at me, I can't get my days together. Have a blessed Saturday. You know, get out, have fun, enjoy the night. If you're here in Florida like us, enjoy the nice sunshine because it's hot as hell. But anyway, guys, have a good day. Later.
Yes, guys, remember to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, hit the notification bell. So when we drop a new upload, you first will be notified. I mean, you first will be notified. Yes, guys. So again, thank you for watching. And if you never get some dumpling,
Don't get none.
go get some. Don't follow her. She's a pancake eater.
Follow me. Don't get that.
Go get your dumpling, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.